Hey friends, a lot of users are asking when does Windows 10 support end? So we can just ask this to Bing, okay? And this is going to be a very bad news. It is on October 14, 2025. So the question is, what can you do after Windows 10 support ends? Now, my suggestion is that we can upgrade to Windows 11. People are very skeptic about it, but the thing is that it is a good enough operating system. So if your system can support Windows 11, all you need to do is right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update, click on check for updates. And if it does not support, then you will have to buy a new computer. So if you are not buying a new computer, what can you do? Because you will not be getting updates, there will be no security updates and all. You can use a third-party antivirus. That's what you can do to protect yourself, and you can continue with your Windows 10 post October 14, 2025 with the features that it has, and using a third-party antivirus for security. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.